How to contact eBay customer support. Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to contact eBay customer support. So let's get started. First, as you have to open eBay app with your account. After you open eBay app, you'll get this kind of interface. From here, at the bottom left, tap on My eBay. From your profile section, under the section account, tap on Help. And from the help and contact section, you'll have to scroll down and tap on the option Contact Us. And from here, you will see all of the popular help topic. Simply select and tap on that. And from here, like I'm choosing the options like payment on hold. From here, you can as usual read this or simply tap on the option chat with our automated assistant. And from this way, you can simply contact eBay customer support and simply mention your problem to eBay customer support. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give a like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.